on?
This is the terrifying, sad but true story about Chuckles the Clown.
I was at school learning.
About the clown practice.
I'm sorry, I had to skip it.
I told you to learn.
I'm sorry.
Stuff them in my bag. Alright. Get in the bag.
Oh, Dad.
God. You're not my real son anymore. Go into the sewers. I never want to see you again.
Go. Burn with all of them. Burn with all of them, Dad. All of them. Burn.
I got my friend Cuddles in here. Just for you. Go say hi to him. He's such a nice guy.
Screw you!
Goodbye.
No!
No! Why, Cuddles? Cuddles is taking us! Cuddles! Huh? Son? You know, screw you!
Freedom?
Can't stand this.